YouTube, it's your boy ricothewaver, and in this video today, we pretty much is going to be getting a wash and styling. I haven't did one of these in a while. I kind of slowed down on doing them because I didn't want to just drown y'all out with just washing styles, you feel me? So today, we doing a wash and style. My hair needs to be washed. I will be getting a cut soon, so I'm just washing before that cut. Basically, I'm going to be showing y'all how to wash before that cut. And something new I want to try is using a plastic bag when my hair is got shampoo and it's wet like that. So I've seen a lot of people use it like that, and I want to try that personally, see what it do, see if I get a better lay. I don't know, I just want to see. So I'm gonna let y'all gonna see exactly when I use a plastic bag. You already know exactly what to have for a washing style. Y'all should know, you feel me, wash, brush, shampoo, mirror, so on and so on. Plastic bag and a comb if y'all want to try that. So the first thing I'm gonna do, fully comb my hair out. I'm gonna rinse my hair just to get all the little dirt and grime that I combed up out. And then after that, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. So I'm gonna just comb real quick, you feel me, wet my hair, so we can just go ahead and get straight into it, because I know half of y'all already want to get straight into it. I'm not gonna make it too long, you feel me? Alright y'all, so my camera died. So basically, if y'all didn't catch what I said, hopefully it caught it. I'm gonna just say it again for y'all. Basically what you're gonna do is comb your hair, rinse the dirt out, you feel me, then shampoo, rinse that dirt out. You feel me? You wanna rinse your hair just to get it wet. Shampoo it, rinse that out. And if your hair is extra dirty, go ahead and shampoo it again, and then throw some more shampoo. You know, at this time you only want to throw a little bit amount. And then you want to just, feel me, lather it up really good. Really good. Get your detangler brush. Make sure you use the mirror. Then after that, pretty much you want to make sure that your brush is wet. You want to grab your brush after you feel like your hair is detangled and just go in with the brush. Y'all want to get it as much laid as possible, pretty much. So I'm going to just go ahead and go on with my session real quick. Make sure you add some more shampoo if you got to. Get the brush wet and just get it in. the key to washing styles is you got to be really careful on what you're doing during the washing style, because your hair is wet and it's, you feel me, harder, easier to brush and easiest to get forced. So you really got to watch your angles and really watch what you're doing. So once you get to this point that your hair, you're satisfied with what your hair is at, you want to wet your hand. Wet your hands just a little bit, get them moist. Even if you gotta add a little bit more soap, and style it. Like, get it locked in, make sure everything is laid down the way you want it, fix the crown how you want it. Add a little bit more soap in, get a little bit more wet, and just finish it off real quick. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that plastic bag just really took down all that frizz, you feel me? If I do say so myself, what? Boy, I've been asleep on this method. I've been asleep on this method for sure. Once everything is laid, you want to hurry up and get it laid down. Hurry up. Hurry up and lay it down. Hurry up. We got to hurry up before it frizz back up. Look at it already frizz back up. Come on. Hold on. Gotta get that do-rag right. Hold on. And they leave it silky too. Especially with this silky 360 Sunburst edition. Just like that, folks. Hurry up and lay that down. We gotta hurry up and lay that down quick. Now you can rinse with hot water or cold water depending on what you want to do after this. So if you want to condition, after this, or if you want to condition after this, I recommend you do a hot water, so your pores can open. But if you want to close your pores, which I don't recommend, even though a lot of people do it with cold water sometimes, it's up to you on what you want to do. But cold water obviously gets rid of the frizz. But me, sometimes I do cold, sometimes I do hot, sometimes I don't condition, sometimes I skip that step, even though it's essential. Sometimes I skip and everybody do what they want to do with their waves. You feel me? But in this case, a brother like me gonna let it rinse with the cold water, cause I'm finna just go get it cut right off soon anyway. And I've already been conditioning enough. I don't want to condition myself. That's just me. That's what I want to do with my wave. So I'm not finna condition. That's just me. You feel me? I'll condition some other time. Right now, I'm using shampoo. A lot of people's waves are different. So that's just me right there. It's your boy Rico the Waver. I'm trying to wash this hair out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Rico the Waver right here, man. I will be following y'all back. Just spam my page for a follow back. Y'all know I'm gonna follow y'all back all the time. I always do. If you don't know, come, follow me, spam my page, and you will get your follow back. Make sure y'all click right here, follow the merch page. New things are coming, new announcements always get announced here first, always on Instagram first. You feel me? Before I even dropped this video, y'all knew that it was coming already. You feel me? Knew that it was coming already before they was even coming. Like I said, who's ready for the new Sunburst Red Silkies? You feel me? Y'all gonna know first if y'all follow these Instagram. You feel me? Make sure y'all go follow them Instagrams, both of them.
feel me? Follow me and my merch page so I know you really supporting me, man. New stuff coming soon. Y'all stay tuned. I got something major for y'all. Y'all just gotta go. Y'all gotta go support me. I'ma support y'all with things that's coming. So make sure y'all go follow me at Rico's merch and at Rico the Waver, man. Link will be down in the description to find my Rico the Waver Instagram. And all you have to do is click right here in my little box right here on my name that says Rico the Waver. It's gonna pull you to this page. Boom, 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 like that. You can check out everything here. Check out exclusive stuff y'all don't see, like this video right here. Y'all don't see that on YouTube. The exclusives. And if you want to get back to my page, all you gotta do is click back on the name right there. But I can't click back like that because it's telling me to remove it. But yeah, man, y'all just click like that. It's easy.